Hello, this is Frank Antonetti back again. Now, this video is about automatic writing. Automatic writing is when you pick up a pencil. You use your pen, people usually use. They place it in their hand and they put it on their notebook pad, and they have a question. They believe they're speaking to these spirits, these angels, or maybe their own inner sense of God, or maybe their consciousness. Who knows who they're speaking to? But anyway, the fingers seem to move, and out comes an answer. You're saying, will he or she love me? Will he or she want to get married to me? Then out comes the answer, yes or no, or maybe. Now, one thing about this automatic writing, who are you speaking to? You kind of wonder, are you actually speaking to Miss Angelic Bluebell from Atlantis, who calls herself Bluebell from Atlantis? We don't know if you're speaking to Bluebell from Atlantis or someone from Lemuria or Dark Angel Michael, who knows what. One thing that usually happens, our higher self, or inner sense of God, has a way of masquerading behind these particular personifications and animating these personifications and making you think that you're speaking to Bluebell from Atlantis or to Archangel Michael or some type of entity, or maybe the Egyptian gods, Anubis, Osiris, or maybe Aphrodite from Greece. It could just as well be your higher inner self, or it just might be these particular entities. We don't quite know. Also, it could be a relative who passed away. With my automatic writings, I found out that the most accurate readings are the ones from your relatives who has passed away. Actually, the Shinto religion is based upon that, communicating with your relatives. They found out that's the most accurate form of communications. When we actually channel a relative, a father who passed away, a mother, a sister, they would give you the most accurate answers. But then you kind of wonder about them themselves. They're on the other side, and they're amazingly intuitive, amazingly psychic. They can see things. But then, how far are they able to see? Maybe I found out that there's lots of questions they really don't know. But if you're going to ask them about practicalities, you actually don't get too metaphysical with them anyway. So they will serve. But this bluebell from Atlantis nonsense, or I'm some old witch from the woods, who knows what it is? And maybe if you open up yourself to a lot of personifications, who knows what could be coming through to you? Maybe it could be a stray spirit who happens to be lost upon this earth plane who's trying to work with you. It could be very dangerous. So watch out about these stray spirits. They just might get into your third eye and your crown chakra, your heart chakra, and not want to leave. So be very careful. You could be like a road, like a traffic. You could have a lot of traffic running through to you, through you, in and out, and they might not want to leave. So